also known as skills. Man from the dance floor game. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me now. I get
all of the girls that I want.
I do.
A lot of virgins in mass.
I've been neglecting girls, but I always use the contraceptives. Tania, Juanita, Susana, Patricia, Claricia, Alicia, Cynthia, and it takes to find them, get them, beat them, tease them, use them, do them. Also, use it becomes Melissa wearing flavor her style, trying to play me, like Jackie O'Neal. Is this real love? How the hell would I know after all this time? I was being a superhero. She finally played me, you know, get a phone number, and I have this crazy style, and let's move like this.
Skills at the skillsmethod.com, dancefloorseduction.com. A big shout out to all the hostler, bossler, players, pimps, puas, naturals, gigolos, mugs, playboys, fuckboys, fuck it, everybody. So, guys, first of all, the intro is me trolling. Do not dress like that. That's Talizaro style. That style is 5 years old. Okay, so don't dress like that. Okay, and the dance moves are old, outdated. But I was trolling anyways, so I wasn't even dancing for for dancing. All right, guys. So in this video, I'm gonna do some dance moves. I haven't the last couple of dance moves that I did are old, outdated. I did the floss. That shit is outdated. Don't do that shit. And I did a couple of years ago. I did the hoopty. That was working back then. Don't do that anymore. Well, you can do that with certain songs if they play them. Uh, but it's not. But don't do it. Don't try not to do it unless those specific songs for the hoopty are played, which is the and then there is another Latin song that has an element of that. But that move is outdated, so I'm gonna do some outdated. I'm gonna update some moves to Gen Z. These moves are field tested, just like the hoopty was field tested. I think Do What Works was doing the hoopty, and he had success with it. How many guys had back in the days success with the floss? Don't do those moves again. It's outdated unless those specifics on are playing. But for Gen Z, these moves are gonna help you to don't be a dancing monkey. I mean, you do have to be a little bit of the dancing monkey with Gen Z because of the attention whoring. Gen Z's big into Insta and Snapchat and all that stuff. So you do have to do that, but the goal is to just to get approach invites or to get open. That I get open by a bunch of little girls, and approach invites, and to be social and to come under the radar, and to open big groups that are mixed or with all women. So this is gonna help you out a lot. These moves are field tested. Okay, is updated to Gen Z. Eventually, I'm gonna do my old videos, remake them because those are more dance floor technical game oriented. But this one is more for Gen Z moves. So don't worry too much about what I'm doing. And if you want to do your own moves, you don't have to do my moves. It's just to show you some of the moves. I made one mistake with the Doja. With the Doja move, one move I made a mistake. I didn't go down that low because I was tired. But you get the idea. Those moves, if you do them with Gen Z, they're popular. All of them, all the ones I'm doing. Gen Z is again everything retro, from the mustache, from the baggy, from the all the style is very retro. Like the songs, for example, a lot of the songs I feel love is like a disco song, so it's back. It's retro. Back in the days, retro disco from the 70s. John Travolta shit. And then I like the way you kiss me. It's a little bit rock and roll 80s. And then the one from wasn't it came out? No, like not like us, not like us. It's a little bit of 90s hip hop with the dance walk. You'll see him in the video doing that shit. So a lot of the moves are going back to the 90s and to the 70s and to the 80s. So, but anyways, guys, I'm doing this because I seen couple of the like dance floor was it's kind of dead. It's kind of dead how it used to be. But I'm seeing so many like Flux Capacitero. He did a late report doing dance floor game. You know, he's still getting late doing dance floor. I still had success doing dance floor. And then I see another guys asking me questions. Some guys got rejected. I see here and there like dance floor popping up. So I'm gonna do a little bit more of dance floor oriented videos and game. It's just not that effective with Gen Z like it used to be, but it's still effective, you know, because you know, still, you know, if you want a game in the in the not all the girls are gonna be always by the bar or the VIP tables and all that. So a lot of the girls are gonna be on the dance floor, and you need to know how to handle that. So I'm gonna do some dance floor games, get the dance floor game videos, and start doing that again. And I'm gonna update how to do it after you reach the hook point and how to open and all that. I'm gonna remake the old ones. Just that in the old ones the moves are outdated, so I want to reference when I'm start breaking down the moves in the old ones. I got like a million views in those ones. But I want to reference this video because people are gonna see me. The fashion is off and the moves are a little bit obsolete. So I want to reference to this video, but still the technical principles apply. Okay. All right, that's all I got. See you at the end. Bye.
Yeah.
whoa.